Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to the Adam LZ toy drive. I'm super excited to go. I was supposed to go last year and I was working so I couldn't go, and my favorite YouTuber was there. His name is TJ Hunt. You guys probably know him. He was there. I didn't know he was going to be there, and I was like so sad that I wasn't able to go because I always wanted to meet him. But he lives in California, so obviously it's on the other side of the country, so I can't really go see him whenever he has like a meet or something. But yeah, he's here and I finally get to meet him, so I'm like really excited. Taking my new camera today. I'm gonna try to take a picture with him, and yeah, so me and Sal just came up. We're about to leave right now. We're gonna go first to Walmart. We're gonna pick up a toy because it's a toy drive, free admission. You just need to bring a toy, so that's what I'm gonna go do. It starts at 11:30. Right now I think it's like 8:30. We're gonna go to Walmart, try to get over there as soon as possible. I want to be one of the first people in line because I don't want to miss my chance to meet TJ Hunt. And yeah, so I'll update you guys in a little bit. All right guys, so right now we're on our way to the toy drive. We're gonna stop by a Walmart to get toys, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Bro, you're trying to get me copyrighted, dude. Like, come on.
I'm gonna change it. Should I ask you music?
Put my vlog music. Alright guys, so I'll update you in a little bit.
Like when I step out, like they see me like, yo, he got fucking money. Little do they know I'm fucking struggling. I'm broke as fuck.
Guys, we just got to the line to get in, bro. There's a lot of nice cars here. I'm gonna go like talk to some people, like look at their cars, look at their builds.
Right? Alright, come on back. Come on back. And stop.
Thank you.
Hey. We had a nice spot.
Got that special treat in it. Alright guys, we just got here. We're about to go inside. We're gonna grab the toys, go inside. We got a special parking spot, you know, because STI. So we're gonna go in. There's some nice ass cars here, so we're definitely gonna go take some videos and footage of some pictures of the parking lot. Guys, make sure you follow my YouTube channel. I'm posting all these pictures today, so make sure you follow my Instagram at jrevs07.
Check out the